Did you know that you can create different looks and hairstyle silhouettes just by changing up the angle which you create your side twists? For these side twists, you will need 2 Magic-Grip hairpins. Gather a side section of hair and start twisting the section together away from your face at about your temple and twist down in a 45-degree angle. For detailed instructions on how to secure a side twist with a Magic-Grip pin, see the video in the card above and linked in the description below. You can choose to either leave your bangs out or incorporate them into the twist. For a different look, start twisting the side section down towards your ear. And secure with a Magic-Grip hairpin directly behind your ear. Repeat for the other side. For a more lifted look, start twisting the section upwards in a straight angle, incorporating the lower portion of the side section as you twist. Secure with a Magic-Grip hairpin and repeat for the other side. This twist angle works great for shorter face framing layers. Just by experimenting with your section size, twist tension and twist angle, you can create many different styles using Magic-Grip hairpins from Good Hair Days. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.